Hello, we're Ben and Caroline and we launched Thorndown in the spring of 2018. We are a paint manufacturer specialising in making high-performing water-based eco-paints for the home and garden. Thorndown was created on the founding principles of quality and simplicity, so making paint products that are easy to use and simple to understand, and with performance and eco-credentials at the forefront. We use the latest in water-based technologies to create our paint ranges, and raw materials are selected with either low or minimal VOCs. They're formulated at a high level, so the paints are water repellent, hard wearing and long lasting. The colour pigments we use are architectural exterior grade colour pigments that perform in the highest degrees of light, fast and weather resistance tests, so the colour you get is the colour that you will see for years and years. With little odour, they're perfect to use inside and outside of the home and garden. So we set about creating the best possible water-based wood paint on the market that performs brilliantly and is simple to use. It's specifically engineered for exterior use, and we use one of the leading acrylic resins on the market at a higher level to make sure that the coating performs really well, is hard wearing, long lasting, flexible and highly water repellent. VOC-free exterior grade colour pigments are used so that the colour that you buy is the colour that you see years later. There are 66 colours in the colour collections, but we also do all 1800 RAL Classic and design colours using our RAL tinting machine. Rather than having endless different wood paints to have to choose from, we make one wood paint that works on any wood, anywhere. So whether your wood is softwood, hardwood, pressure treated, planed or rough sawn, if it's wood you can paint it, but it also adheres to metal, UPVC, terracotta and masonry. The resin we use is self-priming, so in most cases you don't need to use a primer and you just need 2 coats for full exterior protection. There is virtually no odour and it's perfect to use on the interior as well. And being water-based, you just clean up with water.
It comes in 150 mils, 750 mils and 2.5 litres for larger jobs.
Thorndown Peelable Glass Paint is water-based with virtually no odour or VOCs, and it's made from a 100% recycled plastics resin. We designed it for greenhouse shading, but it's also perfect for conservatory shading, for privacy and security screening on windows and also arts and crafts. It comes in a choice of 26 opaque heritage colours and then also 14 translucent colours as well. You can paint it on the interior or exterior, and it also bonds to polycarbonate, acrylic, perspex, UPVC, metal, mirrors and of course any glass. At the end of the season you simply pick at a corner and peel it off to remove it, but if you like it then you just simply leave it on because it's really hard wearing, water repellent, so it will last years and years, and with the VOC free exterior grade colour pigments then the colour will stay really strong too.
It's available in a 150ml tin, or there's a 450ml size which is perfect for most ordinary home greenhouses, or a 750ml tin for larger areas.
Peelable glass paint is perfect for arts and crafts and suitable for all ages. Being water-based, non-toxic, low in odour and with virtually no VOCs, it's great for the environment and perfect for kids too. It's made with a 100% recycled plastic resin, which means that the coating has an elasticity, so you can just peel it off at the end of your use to remove it. You can also pour it and let it dry and create these window clings. To make crafting easier, we have created stencil craft packs, which are made using 190-gram durable, reusable stencils, which will last for years and years. The packs also include an art brush and 4 40ml tins in colours of paint to suit the theme. The Christmas scene on this window and this Christmas lantern and the tea light and this bottle here, they're all made using the Christmas stencil craft pack. So it's a perfect way of rejuvenating your homeware gifts and also repurposing and reusing old glass and bottles. There is a craft pack for Halloween, for Easter, for love, and then there's also the golden floral and the summer floral stencil craft packs. They're for all year round appeal, so you can decorate your greenhouses, your windows, vases, lanterns, whatever you like really. You can also buy sets of the stencil packs, the Peelable Glass Paint 40ml tins, and you also have a rainbow colour pack. There are 6 40ml tins, or you can get the larger pack, which is 6 150ml tins.